came in looking for a sweater. I threw them on this seat here, but I found... Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sarah Liisa. It's once again absolutely terrible weather outside, but I'm so excited to be here today. I'm in the parking lot of our local Pet Save, and it's my favorite time of the year, almost next to Christmas. It is sweater season, and I've set aside an entire hour to go and painstakingly sort through all of the sweaters in 2 thrift stores today. I'm hoping to find my favorite hand knit. I'm also hoping to find some merino wool, maybe some cashmere, just the goods, the wonderful winter sweaters. So let's go ahead and get started with our hunt. This is my favorite time of year. Right away, I started finding some vintage gems, like this cute peach one. That's just a terrible color on me. I don't know why, but I cannot wear peach. This was really fun from the brand Cartier, and I think they're from Montreal. They always do really interesting designs. I like their dresses a lot of the times. I'm always scanning and looking for sweaters that I think are of a really good quality, and you can see pretty quickly, even from the sleeve, just moving the sleeves, you can always see if it's good quality, and you can get a feel for if it's real wool. Like this little cutie, somebody made this and I absolutely loved it. I did take it into the fitting room and completely looked like SpongeBob SquarePants. The shape on me was horrendous, so I was excited to find it, but it did not come home with me. I thought this was just so pretty. The tag did say that it was hand embroidered, and anything handmade is always high on my list. Like this hand embroidery piece. Use this. Kind of plain, but I think I'd like it with some wide leg palazzo pants. Sahari and merino wool. It is so soft. I actually thought it was cashmere. Kind of fun. Best thrifting day ever. Sorry, I had to put the camera down because I had some kind of expensive purchases to think about, which isn't something that normally happens to me ever at the thrift store, but I just bought a ton of designer goods. Came in looking for a sweater. I threw them on this seat here, but I found Tiffany earrings, a Tiffany necklace. I kid you not, guys. This is the craziest day ever. A Tiffany bracelet and a Prada bag. I kid you not. I'm still in shock. I did take home this really gorgeous sweater, Susan Bristol, which I was really excited about, and a fabulous vintage purse as well. But I'm floored. That never happens. I never find designer goodies. Like once in a while I'll find a designer goodie, but to have 1, 2, 3, like 4, and these are from 2 different shops today, the Pet Save and the Value Village. So I did pay up for these things, and to be honest, I'm not 100% sure if they're authentic, but I will do a haul for you when I get home and show you all the designer goods I found when I was searching for vintage sweaters. Okay, bye. Hey guys, back home now, and I thought I would do a haul for you, and I've been leaving all the tags on everything so far because I know a lot of you always ask, how much did you pay for that? And I always forget. So I have a haul. It's not a sweaters haul, although I did get one sweater, but it was a fantastic day of thrifting, and I'll share with you what I got. Okay, I'll start with the sweater because it's actually what we were looking for. This one is a Susan Bristol, and I have to just tack the corner back on, but it is so pretty, super, super long and warm, and it's got hand-done embroidery on the front and also all the way down the back. There's some flowers and maybe some pomegranates. It's like a boiled wool sort of look. Really pretty, and I was really happy to find this. I got this at the Pet Save, and I paid $10 for it. So that is that. And then at the checkout at the Pet Save, they have like the pretty counter that's locked and has all the nice things in it. I spied this. I found a Prada bag, and I wasn't sure if it was real or not. The leather is gorgeous, and it's obviously missing its strap. So it said as is, and it was $75, which is super expensive if it's not a Prada bag, but it just looked so beautiful, and the leather is so soft. I took a chance on it, and then when I got it home, in the zipper pocket inside was the actual authentication card, and the little piece of leather to fix this side so that you could reattach the strap. I guess the person didn't get around to fixing it. So I'm going to phone this phone number and see. Yeah, it came with a card. It's still like in the plastic, looks legit. So I'm really happy this all came together, because I'm going to phone the customer service and see if I can send it in and get it repaired. I don't really know anything about Prada bags, but it's a beautiful leather bag, and I'll be happy to have it and happy to get it fixed. Next up, okay, this one is still at the Pet Save. This is just a really great tooled vintage, probably 70s bag from Mexico, and it's in really nice condition. Feels like somebody just put leather oil on it, and I thought it was really sweet. I'm probably gonna put this up in my Etsy shop, and I paid $35 for this, which is expensive, but for my Etsy shop, well worth it. And then I went just down the street to Value Village, and I have seen gold and silver jewelry at Value Village before in the cases. They're usually priced pretty high, and honestly, these were priced pretty high too, but I think that they are the real deal. Let me know in the comments if you recognize any of these Tiffany pieces, or if you can help me authenticate them in any way. I'm always up for learning. So I grabbed 3 pieces, and this one I have the most confidence in because I have handled these and seen them before. I've seen them in the Tiffany store, and it's just the Return to Tiffany heart shape tag on a pendant, and it has all the right markings, and it has the little Tiffany marking on the clasp as well. This one I'm probably going to keep for myself. I paid $139 for it, which I'm assuming is about half retail, which is sort of what I think my Value Village tries to do. Mostly when they have something good, they do it half retail, but I was happy to do it for this one and pay that because I would actually like to have it in my own collection. These I picked up and I'm probably going to posh them. They're definitely vintage. I'm thinking 90s. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about these, or if you can help me authenticate them. The little rings look really good, like you don't see any solder marks. It is marked T&Co and just looks really pretty in a sterling silver. So there's the bracelet. That was $89 for the bracelet. And then these earrings are pretty substantial. They're the T&Co 1837 collection, which I think is like an anniversary collection. Sterling silver hoops, really pretty. I paid $69 for these. So I'm pretty sure I can flip these on Poshmark, which is what I plan to do. I do a lot of reselling, and honestly, if you like thrifting, it's a really good idea to have a platform that you can resell on, because it can fund your thrifting habit. And if you sell a few things and make a profit, you can keep a few things and just have a fun hobby that doesn't cost you much or anything if it costs you something. And the last two things I got are not as exciting as all of these, but I got two hats that are really warm and plush. This one is a Jessica, which is basically Sears, but I thought it was really cute and fun for winter, and I could wear it and dress it up. And then this is a brand that I don't really know, but it looked good. It's beautifully made. It's soft and warm inside. It's the hat collection by Wallaroo, and it's adjustable, so I'm gonna have to look it up, but it was really comfy as well. And I thought, I'm thrifting sweaters, let's look at the hats and see if there's anything good and cozy in there, because you always need another hat. So that is my thrift haul this week, a total win. If you ask me, I'm gonna try and resell a couple things for a profit, and I'll see you back here next week with a brand new video. Bye.